Welcome back to Custom Fabricating Solutions YouTube channel. I'm Rob. Today's video is going to go over a new offering we have. This is the zero clearance fence from Metabo. There'll be other products or other brands that it might work with, but this happens to be Metabo's 7 1/4 dual bevel sliding saw. What's on the saw right now is our standard version. The standard version is what you would use when you use the saw in chop mode or nested crown position. It's going to give you the most vertical support, or matching the capacity of the saw, but yet you're getting vertical support. We've got this clearanced away for the drive for the blade. The table insert we also offer for this saw. This is a zero clearance table insert. You'll just use the blade you're using and make a cut. This set comes standard, a left and a right, with a hardware kit. If you got to use a saw in slide mode, you'll want to use this cutaway version here. This is a notch version. That'll allow the saw to go in slide mode and clear your dust chute. All three of these products can be found on our website, Custom Fabricating Solutions. If you like this video, like, subscribe, or share. Don't forget, if you need the best, choose CFS. See you next time.